here. This is Lemon. And the excitement, I didn't get the pickup. She came in a crate. You can see we're still at the pickup center. She is just wanting to play. Found a little patch of grass, thinking she might use the bathroom. But I have a companion. Look at her. Look at that face. You doing good, Lemon? Say hello. And there is Lemon with Caitlin.
Hi.
Now that we have a third-person point of view, the camera work will improve.
Oh, I'm tickling you.
Thank you very much to the Bulldog breeders for taking care of us today and getting our beautiful puppy to us. So thanks very much. Bye.